there are a lot of familiar faces, especially a lot of Rujita's friends. We see them at every book launch. But it just goes to show that what a lovely person Rujita is. That speaks volumes. So let's give Rujita a big hand of the person. And it's so nice. And yes, there's a familiar face, which is me, who keeps launching her books because I swear by her. And she truly is a game changer. She's changed my life. She's more than a game changer in her field. She's one of the biggest dietitians, and she's changed lives. She's helped people not just through diet but through fitness. And now this book, which I think is going to be, which I told her should not be called "Don't Lose Out Workout." It should be called "Mythbusters," because she's broken a lot of myths again for all the people out there. And what more can I say about somebody who has transformed not just my life but also now Seth's? I can proudly say that he's the only other woman on his speed dial on his phone. So that also so it's just his wife and me.
It's really to send out the right information about exercise because people are often confused. Karina would also tell me that someone she knows is walking for hours in the gym, or someone else is spending endless hours on the treadmill, and they don't really get the dream body that they want, but they only get illnesses and injuries. So what this book tries to do is demystify exercise and make it accessible to every single person. And the very fact that Kareena Kapoor is backing it, she's also the main inspiration behind it, means that more and more people will want to read about it. And that's, I guess, what she's doing a very generous and brilliant thing by lending her support to all my projects.
And in my life, that's the problem, that I don't live my life thinking that I want to have more accolades, or I think success and failure is a part of my life. I take everything in my stride. Beside which, I think just acting is in my genes, it's in my DNA. वो मेरे रगों में दौड़ रहा है. आज नहीं तो कल कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा होगा. It's the best book you've written amongst all the 3 books. This is, I think, the best book because the writers in the book have been so many regular people have come up to me and told me that I've been struggling in the gym for 2 hours. Actually, I feel that people go to the gym to look at themselves in the mirror. कि एक दूसरे को देखते रहते हैं जिम में कितना ये बॉडी तो नहीं बन रही है पर एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. So all these myths is what Rujita is definitely broken in this book, and I think it's amazing. And in fact, when Seth started reading it, he was like, "Oh my God, this is it's amazing." In fact, please give the example that you said about the marriage and the love bit, because that's very nice.
I keep giving a lot of examples, but I think the one I just recently gave, there was someone asking her a question that how does one eat everything that one wants to eat and yet keep a thin, fit and toned body. Generally people believe that eating everything that you want to eat and looking good is just not possible. So I was telling her, it's like saying that being in love with the person you marry is just not possible. So if you find love in the person that you marry, then you will 100% also find the understanding to eat right and to look good, because they're really not mutually exclusive. In fact, I guess the only way to look good for years and years together, like the way Kareena has inspired us to do so right from 2007, is to simply eat what you love eating and to work out in a very sensible fashion, not get very faddish or feverish. मैं करीना और मेरे बुक लॉन्च के बारे में बात करूँगी. करीना obviously is a celebrity, there is no doubt about that. But उससे
Rujita is not a celebrity. तो that is why आज मैं celebrity और star की ओर भी नहीं आई हूँ. आज मैं उसकी family की तरफ से आई हूँ कि मैं उनकी दोस्त हूँ, उनकी बहन हूँ. And yes, करीना कपूर हूँ, but उन्होंने जो मेरी जिंदगी के लिए किया है वो सब आपके सामने है, इसलिए तो मैं बाकी किसी की बुक लॉन्च में नहीं जाती.
कि मेरे हिसाब से कि उन्होंने उनका और मेरा एसोसिएशन 2007 से है. 2007 से हम लोग एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं. एंड ऑब्वियसली इट स्टार्टेड एज अ क्लाइंट एंड अ डाइटिशियन रिलेशनशिप, पर आज बहुत ज़्यादा हमारा रिलेशनशिप इवॉल्व हो गया है. वो शी इज़ माई सपोर्ट, शी इज़ माई इंस्पिरेशन. मैं ये सोच भी नहीं सकती हूँ कि मैं कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करूँ, नॉट जस्ट अ बुक, पर कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करूँ और करीना मेरे साथ ना हो. सो we are inseparable. I can't think of a new project without her.
अगर मैं politician नहीं हूँ, definitely I am an अगर इंडियन सिटीजन तो वोट तो ज़रूर करूँगी पर बताऊँगी नहीं वोट देने जा रहे हूँ। दूसरी बात जो आपने कहा होली के बारे में, बचपन में बहुत होली खेला करते थे हम लोग, हमारी फैमिली। आई थिंक कपूर खानदान में तो होली हमेशा बरकरार रहती थी, हमेशा मेरे दादाजी को होली बहुत पसंद थी। बट जिस दिन वो चले गए, आई थिंक ऑल द कलर्स एंड द फेस्टिविटीज ऑल्सो वेंट विद हिम। तो हम लोग ने कभी ना ही होली खेली है, ना हमने सेलिब्रेट किया है। तो इसी साल भी हम ना सेलिब्रेट करेंगे ना कुछ करेंगे, बट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक सबको खेलना अच्छा लगता है। इट्स अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर एंड इट्स अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ जॉय। सो आई विश एवरीवन हैप्पी होली। She's in a net sari, she's in a backless blouse, she's ready to star in it. बस और क्या चाहिए हिंदी फिल्म में? Rujita is ready to star in it and produce. Why not? Like she said that I'll support her in every project. If she's launching herself also, I'll support her.
In fact, we've done a movie together. It's called Indian Food Wisdom and the Art of Eating Right.
About a film story, but maybe a book at some point. I mean, I've not thought of it, but अच्छा लगता है because आजकल I started reading a lot. And I think books open up your imagination more than a film also. So maybe someday I might write a book, but I don't know about what. I'm looking one forward for Rujita. The flair to है writing, but किताब and all now I don't know. I need to really think. Well, it will definitely be a chapter because maybe I write a book 40 years later. So I don't know what I will be writing in that book. So maybe, but एक chapter तो ज़रूर होगा fitness के बारे में.
Just have to
Just
stick to my
questions.
notes.
He'll find a good way, don't worry. And besides, he's a good person, he's a good human being. And he's not been charged at all. That's the main thing. So we don't need to actually make it application. And he had apologized. उसी रात को ये मामला खत्म हो चुका था when he had apologized.
Doesn't become a challenge because I think I'm not inherently a writer. तो मैं राइटर नहीं हूँ, तो मैं बहुत सिंपल शब्दों में और वर्ड्स में सोचती हूँ और मैं जैसा सोचती हूँ वैसे ही मैं लिखती हूँ, जैसे मैं लिखती हूँ वैसे ही मैं बोलती हूँ. सो आई गेस दैट मेक्स इट वेरी सिंपल. प्लस आई हैव अ ग्रेट एडिटर दिल तलवार. आई डोंट नो वेयर शी इज राइट नाउ बिकॉज अगर ऐसा मैंने कुछ लिखा जो समझ में नहीं आया तो देन शी सेज आई हैवंट अंडरस्टूड. And she's very smart, so if she's not understood something, I had to figure that I've probably written something too technical. But I think more than anything else, a lot of my talks with Kareena kind of find their way in every book that I write. तो हम लोग easy बातें करते हैं तो easy books लिखी जाती है. There's one very special
Rujita wants to thank Prakash. So let's call him on
Let's
stage.
call because
Yes,
he's
Prakash.
instrumental.
Come on stage.
Hi.
He's my boy who's worked with me for the last 15 years, and he's actually Rujita's partner because he gives me all the food that Rujita